This therapy gets rid of your old issues at the source, at the core, at the root, and then it installs better, positive, powerful thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors that stay with you all the time. So I created this masterclass to show you how you can fix your own needs. You go to the root of an issue, treat the root, remove the root, get rid of the root. Not only do those old issues never come back, but the new things that you put in their place really take root and develop. This is powerful. This tackles people at the core and changes them. And I've shut down my practice, reopened it as rapid transformational therapy. And many conventional therapists that retrain with me say, I've gone back and told all my clients, I'm going to see you 3 times and then we're done.